Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that in last class we discussed our reading portion of the chapter. Now today we discuss its word meaning and question answers. That is also main and most important part of the chapter. So you all start writing in fair notebook from board, and those who don't have book, I write each and every word meaning on board so you all see from board. Okay. So start. So our first word meaning is what? Manor farm. What is this? Manor farm means a large farmhouse. Manor farm means a large farmhouse. Second is our Pope Hall. Pope Hall. Pope Hall is what? A hole in a fence through which animals can pass. A hole in a fence through which animals can pass. Clear? Next is our lurched. Next is our lurched. Moved unsteadily like a drunkard moves when drunk. Okay? Moved unsteadily like a drunkard moves when drunk. Clear? And next, last is our, fourth one is our yard, an unclosed area. An enclosed area. Okay? Next. Now fifth one. Fifth one is what? Snoring. Snoring. Breathing. Snoring means what? Breathing noisily while sleeping. Breathing noisily while sleeping. Breathing noisily while sleeping. Sixth is stirring, rousing. Stirring means rousing. Next is our fluttering. Next is fluttering. Fluttering is what? Vibrating. Fluttering is what? Vibrating. Okay. First is manor farm. Second is Pope Hall. Third is lurched. Fourth is yard. Fifth is snoring. Sixth is stirring. And last one, if you not see properly, listen, fluttering. It's vibrating. Fluttering, vibrating. Clear? Next, write down. Eighth. Eighth is major. Major means an army officer, but here it is the name of, a boar, a male pig. It is the name of a major, an army officer, but here it is the name of a boar. B-O-A-R means a male pig. Next is barn. Barn means a storeroom for storing. For storing food for animals. For storing food for animals. For storing food for animals. Clear? 10th is raven. A large black bird. A large black bird. 11th is what? Perch. Perch means a branch where a bird sits or rests. A branch where a bird sits or rests. A branch where a bird sits or rests. Comrade. Comrade. Comrade is what? A friend. A friend, especially one who you have been involved in difficult or dangerous, usually military activities with. Clear? 13 is what? Stall. An enclosure for an animal. An enclosure for an animal. Clear? An enclosure for an animal. First is what? Eighth is major, an army officer, but here it is the name of a bird, a male pig. Clear? Next is barn, a storeroom for storing food for animals. Clear? Raven, a large black bird. Next is our perch, a branch where a bird sits or rests. Comrade means a friend, especially one who you have been involved in difficult or dangerous, usually military activities with. Clear? This is work of class 6th. Okay. Next is stall, an enclosure for an animal. Stall is an enclosure for an animal. Next. Now 14th is atom. 14th is atom. A very small bit of something. Slaughtered is killed for food. Slaughtered is what? Killed for food. Hideous means shocking. 17th is what? B-A-R-E. Bare. Not enough basic. Next is tills, plows, plugs. Next is sturdy. Sturdy is what? Sturdy is strongly and solidly built. Next is what? Confinement The state of being, forced to stay in a closed space, Next is crystal. Next is what? Crystal. A transparent material. A transparent material. A transparent material. Now listen again. Atom is what? A very small bit of something. A very small bit of something. Slaughtered is killed for food. Slaughtered is what? Killed for food. Hideous, shocking. Hideous is what? Shocking. Next is bare. Bare is not enough, it's basic. Okay. Next is tilth. Tilth means plow. Next is sturdy. It's strongly and solidly built. Sturdy is strongly and solidly built. Confinement, the state of being forced to stay in closed space. Crystal is a transparent material. A transparent material. Next, (22) is spring from. Spring from. Spring from is result from. Spring from means result from. Next is tyranny. Tyranny means use of cruel ways to rule others. Use of cruel ways to rule others. To rule others. Okay? Spring from is result from, and tyranny means use of cruel ways rule others. Okay? So here your word meanings are completed. Okay? Now, next portion we start our question answers. Okay? So, here your word meanings are completed. So, next portion of chapter is what? Question answer. Now, question answers. First of all, we do read and understand question answers. Okay? So, everyone note down heading read and understand. Answer orally questions. Orally questions. First of all, we do orally questions. And that is question number A. It's question 1. Question number A. It's question 1. Who is John about whom Major talks? Who is? Question is who is John's about whom Major talks? Whom Major talks. This is question. Question number 1. Its answer is what? Jones is the owner of the manor farm. Owner of the manor farm. Clear? Question 2 is what? What is the scene of action? What is the scene of action? Answer is the scene of action is the big burn of the farm. The scene of action is the big barn of the farm. The scene of action is the big barn of the farm. First is, who is John, about whom Major talks? John is the owner of the manure farm. What is the scene of action? The scene of action is the big barn of the farm. Clear? Next is, who is Major in the story? Question, who is Major in the story? Who is Major in the story? Answer is what? The prize middle white boar. The prize middle white boar. The prize middle white boar is the Major. Is the Major in the story. Is the Major in the story. So write down these three questions. First is, who is John's, about whom Major talks? John is the owner of the manure farm. What is the scene of action? The scene of action is the big barn of the farm. Who is Major in the story? The prize middle white boar is the Major in the story. Clear? So these are three questions orally. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 is what? Who are the other characters? Who are the other characters? Who are the other characters that Major is? Who are the other characters that Major is talking? That Major is talking to on that eventful night. To on that eventful night. Eventful night. Answer is what? The Major is talking to all the animals. The Major is talking to all the animals. The Major is talking to all the animals on the farm. All the animals on the farm. The Major is talking to all the animals on the farm, including the cows. Hens, and horses, only Moses, the raven is not present. Only Moses, the raven is not present. The raven is not present. Only Moses, the raven is not present. Who are the characters that Major is talking to on that eventful night? The Major is talking to all the animals on the farm, including the cows, hens, and horses. Only Moses, the raven, is not present. Only Moses, the raven, is not present. Clear? So these are the 4 questions of orally 4 questions. Now another questions we discuss in our next class. Okay? Another question answers we discuss in our next class. So for today this is over. Okay, word meaning completed. The orally 2 questions left, 4 completed. So remaining we discuss in next class. Everyone note down each and every part in your notebook, each and every question answers and word meaning in your notebook. Okay, this is part 2 of chapter men versus animals. Clear? So next we discuss in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.